What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today real quick I want to share with you guys one more budget microphone. Today we have a product from VeGue. Exact model we have here, VM30, and this microphone goes for around $29. So this microphone is pretty good for someone who's looking to buy a budget microphone and you are not going to break your bank. So if you're planning on starting a YouTube channel, Twitch, or maybe you want to use a microphone for like Zoom call, Skype, then this budget microphone should be pretty good. Now today real quick I'll do a quick unboxing for you guys and show you guys what this microphone comes with. Also, this microphone is plug and play. You don't need an extra audio interface for this mic. You basically just plug this microphone to your laptop or desktop and you can just use this mic. Now I'll do a quick unboxing for you guys and show you guys what this microphone comes with. So the first thing we have here, the instruction manual, as you guys can see, and then we also have USB type C to type A cable, and the cable is pretty long. You guys can see this cable does come with USB type A and USB type C option. So if your computer or your laptop have like USB type A port, you can use the USB type A, or if your laptop have like only USB type C option, then you also have the USB type C option. And other end you have USB type C right here, and the cable is pretty long, like around 5 feet. Okay, and let me pull the microphone out. So as you guys can see, the microphone right here, okay, we have the blue version here. They also have the red one. Okay, so the microphone does have the pop filter already installed, and also does come with the stand or tripod right here. So let me just open this real quick. All right, nice and simple and everything there. Okay, so like I said, you have the pop filter right here, you have the shock mount here, as you guys can see. Okay, and then you have the microphone tripod or the stand right here. You can remove this tripod, okay, if you want. And this microphone does have headphone jack right here, so you can actually monitor the sound while you are recording. Okay, does have the sound knob right here, and you also have the USB type C port right here. Also, from the mic you have the mute button. Okay, so if you are live streaming, or you are maybe talking to someone on Zoom or Skype and you want to mute yourself, you can just press this button and you can actually mute yourself. That's really cool. For $29, I think this microphone does come with some good specs. And let's test this microphone. Let me plug this microphone to my computer with the Audacity, and I will test and see how well this microphone works. So let's jump in. Alright guys, so I just plugged the microphone to my computer and I'm currently recording with Audacity. As you guys can see, I have the microphone gain set to around 50%, and I'll also have the gain on my computer set to around 65%. And currently my mouth is like 10 inches away from the microphone. As you guys already know, this microphone have cardioid pickup pattern, so you can only record your voice or you can only speak from front of the microphone, as you guys can see. Now I personally think this microphone is pretty good for around $29 price point, because it does come with a couple of options I really like. A gain controller, does come with a headphone jack, so you can actually monitor the sound. Currently I don't have a headphone laying around here. And also you have the mute button. Let me show you guys the mute button real quick. Alright guys, so you guys let me know what you guys think. I personally think for $29 this microphone is pretty good because it does come with a pop filter, it does come with a tripod or the stand, you got the shock mount, you have the mute option, you have the USB-C port, it does come with the gain controller on the microphone. Also, for a budget microphone, this thing also comes with a headphone jack, so you can actually monitor your voice. Alright guys, so let me know what you guys think. Leave your question in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer you guys. And that should be it. See you guys next one. Peace.